Kichengsi kardom kaduka ve karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel ana fast tamela pen pinia bangke nali tumpana ki than ponji mate na piklang ponji la so a video long la bangke DLA da putak sinang than pachini ponik po koson se ka apply nangji la pen kicheng ka apply kicheng command to pen malas that command to ma copy pia documents nang mala so details nali tum la so video long thek pon long ekpo la pen nali tum jong se la so YouTube channel long na ko homri melang polega chingon pen nali tum subscribing on la pen adu hestame bell arjan thekloi hoda hestame nali tum berpon ekdenon tangdenon DLA da puthakle chethan polonang lapen lang polonang sonson update kilong verja fan nalitum WhatsApp group Telegram channels tame nalitum nang join dun ning hang pulta nang join dun ikon tangdenon pathek pen DLA da puthakle chethan polonang lapen lang polonang tangdenon pathek pen chethan polonang SCERT Assam DLA admission 2024 aputhak Lavenda State Council of Education Research and Training mate SCERT ahin bestame recently the official notification released ponlo regarding admission process diploma in elementary education mate DLED for the academic batch 2024 lapen 26 of Harman. The announcement invites online application for eligible candidates to participate in the free entry test pet the qualifying examination is scoring admission into the DL8 course. The article aims to provide details overview to the SCERT. La pulo non details lang pononang la penchitan pononang DL8 copy ma pulo full form la bangke diploma in elementary education mate DL8 puta pupon la 2 years the teachers training program afan bi pono la sening ke hang abang fu abang fiat tum nani tum jong si admission endun exi la pen exam tok dun exi pulte nani tum details la bangke kelang nangji kenang sodlo kicheng si la bangke exam type la bangke dak entrance test and pon pola pen course la bangke DL8 lo la pen da organization la bangke SCERT Assam ahin pen dak organization pono la pen qualification la bangke 12% da cho la pen online application process la bangke online se apply ponang po la pen application fee la bangke all category ta 600 lo the pen da ka start pon la bangke 22 July 2024 pen dak cheng pon lo la pen last date of apply la bangke 11 August 2024 si last date lo la pen on Assam DLED admission details lang polonang la pen chithan polonang the SCERT Assam DLED admission process for 2024 includes several key components the responsive candidate need to be aware of. Key of admission la bangke la sono name of exam la pre entry test mate pet 2024 la pen course name of course la bangke diploma in elementary education mate DL8 put a short form and total number of seat la bangke da update pon pelang la pen beach bang la ke 2024 26 it opo course la bangke 2 years afan Lason Taxi Council Labangke State Council of Educational Research and Training Lapen date of exam Labangke Dak 8 September 2024 Sunday Arnis and Ponikpo Lapen Alitum Jongsik Kapre details son kachini lang nangji do plote nalitum da helplines number pipon la sodim nalitum call penstame details bangke arjupon igmelo lapen eligibility criteria la bangke la sono lang pononang dak chethan polana candidate must be meet the specific eligibility criteria to apply for the SCERT Assam DLED admission educational qualification la bangke the candidate must have passed higher secondary mate 10 plus 12 pass na pol apen jad school college board ahin penstame chok lapen maximum the 50% unbangke marks bang donang pol apen including secure the extra optional subject there is select of 5% marks for SC ST candidate la sidak SC lapen ST candidate bang 5 marks ane dak pakom pol mate 45 la an bangke donang pol apen age limit la bangke nalitum thek ponlong ek podak age limit candidate must be between 18 and 34 years old la anang po 18 pen aki kom kalide nang po 34 pen aki ong kalide nang po stamedak puthot age relation banda pipon dotulang 2 years in provided for SC ST plans lapen ST hills category topan lapen reservation labang kela sono reservation policy apply as a per government regulation for OBC, MOBC, SC, ST plans, ST hills and person with disability mate PWD can category satum labangke la sonno la pet application fee bang the application fee for all categories is res 600 rupees only, which can be paid online through internet banking, credit card, debit card or wallet. Nalitum application fee bang 600 pinang po la pen nalitum dak internet banking, credit card, debit card hin pensi nalitum payment ba pinang po la pen admit card apu thak dak lang lo pulte la sono candidate can download their admit card from the official SCERT website starting 1st September 2024 by entering their registration number and date of birth. Lapen admit card labang ke dak 1st September pense dak download bang cheng pon pon la se ka download ji afa nalitum SCERT official website along dam pense order nalitum registration number date of birth bear pen nalitum download long ekpo. Lapen free entry test with the paid venue bangla sonlo the paid venue will be allotted to the district selected by candidates during application process. This information will be indicated on the admit card. Seat will be allotted to the selected candidate in the teachers education institute of the respective district. Labang ke moda update pon ikpo lapen kai finding a process koson ma pulotang te nalitum chini pon ikpo kinasa sort documents bala sona before proceeding with the online application process. Candidates should ensure they have to flowing documents ready in specific format la sela sona apply play apna nalitum documents da kibinangji na te customer nangji bangla sona recent passport size photo 1 copies nang po maximum 100 KB lapen format la bangke JPEG nang po lapen signature la son la 100 KB lapen photo format bangke JPEG nang po lapen 10 pass at dia 10 admit card ki online la 450 KB nang po lapen PDF file nang po it's a smart sheet la bangke 450 KB PDF file si upload dun nang po. Lapen important dates lang po long important dates labang ke nalitum thek pon long ekpo lada ke pi pondo application start pon labang ke 22 July 2024 ban si cheng pon eglo application last date 11 August 2024 admit card issue date 1st September 2024 SCERT paid exam date 8 September 2024 lapen SCERT paid result 23 September 2024 si dag result bangke pon ekpo important links nalitum dak wang lo thek pon long ekpo mate long pon ekpo nalitum dak pen online application links tame nalitum long pon ekpo lapen download official notification nalitum na so article long wang te download long pon ekpo ka apply ning ji a process tame dak pok lang pon eklo non nili video la kijut molam nili nalitum han advertisement allo na pik lang pon ji afan nili hin pes tame bore pon ekpo screen along nalitum thek pon long ekpo la hello admission notice mate advertisement alone pre-entry test mate pay 2024 for admission into 2 years diploma in elementary education mate DL8 course for the season 2024-26 farma details ala so advertisement alo mate na notice alo long se tokpon ek alo la penale tum details lang nam thoji pulte la nalitum dak website ki piponto la so website long dam pesta me nalitum details salam bangke chini pon ekpo la bela so video nali tumko anma seron serego kar biang lo waras tame pala ek nang pachini ek nang la sonson update kilong verze phone la so YouTube channel la bang nali tum subscribe ikon la sipinia video long la online ton pon ek nang do me thak me kadu ka ve Carbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kelang ara do ans fans tame nil hin pen cardom to change your